Hey everybody, hope you are having a great day today. I know I am. And I've got some exciting news. Well, I hope I have some exciting news. Today is the day that they're supposed to call me about going to pick up the Honda today. So I'm hoping that I get the call soon. I'm hoping that it's fixed and not patched, meaning I hope there's no Bondo in the car. Um, I hope they feathered the paint the way they were supposed to. I'm just going to have to, when I get to the body shop, hopefully today, I'm just going to have to look over the car before, hopefully it'll be parked outside and I can go over it before I can even talk to them. And so I'm excited, but I'm nervous because I don't know what I'm going to find when I see the car. So hopefully everything will be good though. I'm ready to get this over with, close this chapter, and just keep going. And like I said, move toward that ultimate goal of getting a new Mustang GT. So that's what's going on. So I will see you as soon as I get the car back. So we'll see you then. Alright guys, you can see I've got the car back now. And if you look closely, now one thing, I'm not thrilled about the cleanup job they did. They did not clean the car up well. But they said that I could bring it back and they would detail it for me. So I'm definitely going to do that. But you can see that all of the dents that were in the trunk lid and all of that, they are completely gone, and they did not replace the panels as you go up the quarter sills and all. They are straight again as well. The side, it was dented right in here. That is back straight again. The bumper and exhaust are fixed. We're going around this side of the car is also straight again, going up the quarter sills and all. They are straight. Let's see if we can get this dialed in better. There we go. So the quarter sills are straight again. The dents on the side, they are straight also. So overall, even looking down the trunk lid, everything is good there as well. So overall, I am very pleased with this. Like I said, it's good to have it back home. So I can't believe I actually missed it, but I did. So, like I said, it's good to have it back home. And just got to get her cleaned up good. And we're ready to get back on the road with it.